Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I had a little bit of time between the train, right, and getting home because I didn't have to cook dinner. So I decided to use that time to run into the thrift store. Everything, right, yellow tag 50% off. So that would have applied to this piece, which I absolutely loved. And this one right here, I thought was so super cute. This ceramic like purse, right? I debated it. I really did. But I did end up leaving it. It's super cute though. And of course, all the baskets and things, right? So I was enjoying myself in here for the little bit of time that I was in here, right? This was fire. I couldn't believe it was so cute to me, right? This was actually sitting in the one I just showed you before this one. The iron legs and everything. I thought it was fire, right? $10 on there. So that was a debate, right? I thought about it. I do love the baskets. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit. So I'm actually looking for some type of runner placemat situation to go on the bar cart that I grabbed from here, right? With the big old wheels. So I was just trying to see, what color was going to fit me and the style that I was going for. And I was really, really feeling this one. I thought this one was pretty. The design was really nice. The color was on point, right? And then I saw this one. I thought it was too bright white, right? It wasn't antiquish enough, I guess, for me. And then, of course, me and the baskets, more baskets. This was super cute. Welcome to my kitchen. The tags was still on it. And this I thought was really pretty. I debated this one for a little bit, I actually had it. I ended up putting it back. And I thought that this was fire. It holds wine bottles, but you can attach it to your wall. That whole wood and everything, it was so pretty. And then I saw this one, and it kind of reminded me of the basket bowl that I picked up that had, that wire, that, how do you say it? I can't think. Like iron, right? I think that's what I'm trying to say. But they reminded me of each other, right? So I wonder if that all came in together. You know what I mean? So just different things, right? I thought this was so super cute, so old fashioned, which was very appealing to me, right? All I could think about was Sydney putting like Barbies in there or something. Or something. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. So here's another one. So two came in, they were separated. They were so pretty. One was priced a little more than the other, but they were very similar. So, yeah, like I said, I was quick and fast in here. I didn't have a lot of time, but I still have fun with it. So, let's see what I got. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, so this is what I grabbed, right? One of the things I 100% didn't need, you will definitely agree with me. But when I got to the counter and the price changed, it was a whole thing and I had to get it. So, but let me show you what I was most excited about first. Yes, on the basketball, right? That's what I'm gonna call it. I feel like That's what it is, you know. It's so sturdy and so thick, right? Everything is like put together perfectly. These iron legs on here, I think is what I think that's what attracted me to it when I saw it sitting. So, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. So 10 bucks, right? And normally I feel like all the baskets for the most part are 6, 8, and I think it's 10 because of this, which I'm okay with. I love this so much. This is my favorite buy in this thrift with me. So yes. So it was sitting in this. So I'm like, right? This is simple. This is just a nice little wicker tray, right? So I'm loving it. It's $3.50 indoor, outdoor, right? I'm thinking springy summer, let's go outside on the patio, right? Do some things. Boom, just bring it out on the tray. That's what I'm thinking. Or I can, you know, set it up in here, right? But I love this. So $3.50, right? Perfect. So I did pick up this tablecloth, right? There were a few there. And the last time I was there, I was looking too. And none of them seemed to fit what I was going for. So this is for the bar cart, the one with the big wheels that I just did, right, a couple weeks ago. And I was thinking, you know, all the bottles are on there now. I was thinking I needed something underneath. And then you guys were like, Tish, you need to put something underneath so that the bottles don't scratch and, you know, whatever the case. So that's what I've been looking for the past couple months. And I feel like looking at it, it's going to, it might not be too long. It might not be. If it is, I will just, you know, kind of double it. But the length is perfect. So whatever I choose to do with it. And it was $5, $4.99, right? So yeah, actually this, me folding it, I can tell this is going to be the size that I need. And yeah, and they had like white and things, but I didn't want white. I needed something to be off, right? I have a white tablecloth on my table right now, but that's the whole winter white situation, right? So, but yeah, I don't know if you could really tell the pattern in here, right? Isn't that so pretty? It's very vintage to me. So that is, you know, what I was going for. So yes, on the $4.99, right? So one more thing, I picked it up. It's super cute. I didn't need it. And I was like, I don't need it. Put it back. Oh my goodness. Tag still on it, right? Tag still rocking. And welcome to my kitchen. The whole black and white, right? This is all the way reminding me of, you know, a bee situation, right? So fluffy on the butt and everything. And I'm all about the chef's hat and all of that, right? So that is super cute. $6, which I was going to get it. But once I got to the register, I'm like, Miss Girl, I don't need this. I know exactly where it's going already. I don't need it. So I gave it to the lady and she was like, well, I think you need it for $1.99. What the? Miss Girl, she got the tablecloth. Oh my goodness. She's like, I'm thinking you need this for $1.99. So I'm like, I think you're right. I think you're right. I put it on this side. I hope she don't walk over and come jump up. So I was like, $1.99. I had to, y'all. I had to. So I grabbed it. It's super cute, right? So cute. The colors, everything. Perfect. Perfect. So I think I want this on top of my refrigerator. I usually put something there like a candy or some flowers or something. This is perfect because he's nice and big, right? Nice and fat and cute. So, yes. That's where I'm going to put it. You know, when I first get my things, tell me if this is weird. I have a disinfectant spray, kills, you know, 99.9. And I always spray my items down outside before I bring them. I bring them in the house and then I clean them again. Like this is going in the wash, definitely. I don't know what she has. I just saw her walk by with something. So but everything gets sprayed down. I don't know, like, I don't know if it's weird or not. I guess because I'm thrifting, I don't know how long it's been sitting. I don't know where it came from. I don't know, but I'm loving all the things. I guess it makes me feel better that I spray it down and then I go back and clean it again. Like, it's about to get tossed in the wash. So yes on that. And then when it comes out, I'll steam it, right? Nice, and put it over here. So I'm so excited about everything. Not much, only grabbed 4 things. Not much, but I'm feeling every single piece. You know what I mean? Like, I know where everything's going to go. And that's what I wanted, right? To like kind of be intentional, right? Intentional with what I'm getting. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited, you guys. All right, I'm gonna go. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Yes, bye. Girl, she had the baking soda.